To view a quiz on Canvas, instructors can access a comprehensive analysis of quiz activities for every student, including the duration taken to complete a quiz and the time spent on each answer. Quiz logs also show if a student withdrew from a test and resumed later, making them useful for observing the status of quizzes undertaken by students and examining any issues they may have encountered. The feature is designed to provide insight into the nature of the questions and help instructors identify potential problems when a student starts a quiz. The log begins, and multiple logs may be created if the quiz is in progress. If a student is granted multiple attempts, the log will display the most recent one by default, but instructors can still view any attempt within the quiz log. To view a quiz log, go to the course navigation, select the quizzes link, click on the name of the quiz, and then click on the 3 vertical dots icon. Select Show Student Quiz Results, choose the student's name, and click the View Log link at the top of the page. This will display the action log for the quiz, including the start date and timestamp, as well as the status of every quiz action. Quiz logs are available on Canvas for 6 months. While quiz logs can provide valuable information, they are not designed to verify academic integrity or detect cheating allegations. By following these steps, instructors can easily view quiz logs and gain a better understanding of their students' quiz activities.